Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my plan with me for the January monthly spread in my Happy Planner. And so I'm using the Planner Babe planner for my catch-all. So if you want to find out more about the planner that I'm going to be using for 2020, I'll have that linked up in a card above. I hope to have that video out before this video, but you never know. I have fully realized that life is completely unexpected and you never entirely know what's going to happen when. And so I'm just kind of rolling with it. You know, YouTube videos are going to be something that I post when I can. I hope to be on like a schedule and stuff like that, but I know that I can't stress myself out completely because I miss a video. YouTube is meant to be fun for me, and yeah, so that was just a complete side note, but I used these adorable post-it notes to help pre-plan my month. These are also from the Planner Babe line. They're the Planner Babe post-it notes, and they're adorable. Like, I am fully and completely in love with the Planner Babe like line. It's my favorite. Okay, so I don't know how I'm going to put my husband's work schedule in my planner. I don't know. I should have probably thought of this before I started this video, but I'm gonna pull some things, I think. Okay, so I pulled my extras and I am gonna pull out these dots. I'm hoping that I have enough dots to put on the days that he's gone in the month of January. I don't know. We're probably gonna have to sit and figure this out. Maybe. Okay, so I know the first thing that I want to do is add some, so hold on, let me back up. So I'm using the add-ons from Planner Kate's mini kit 203. I think this is called Icicles. And so I have the skinny washi, and then I have a set of pattern labels, a set of appointment labels, and then a set of, I think these are called basic labels. So this is sheet U, sheet T, sheet S, and then sheet P. And all of this stuff will be linked in the description box down below. And I don't know how I'm going to use the skinny washi. I originally thought that I was going to use this to mark the times that he is gone. Actually, I still might do that. That's probably how I'm going to do it. Okay, so he is going to be gone the 6th through the 10th. And in case you haven't been watching any of my other videos, he has gotten a new job, which we are super thankful for, but that also means that he will be traveling a lot. He is going to be gone probably half. Oh, I'm gonna grab the other. He's probably gonna be gone half of the month. Maybe. That might be a conservative or a little bit more of a exaggeration. But, yeah, so we live in a fairly large size city, but he is going to be traveling to another city to work for the majority of his time. So I just used the Planner Kate business card to cut my washi. So this is the first time that he'll be traveling in the month. The second time he'll only be gone. I can't remember what he wrote. 14th through the 15th. And he's loving his job, like loving it completely, and I'm supporting him 100%, and he's excelling at this job, and he's truly enjoying himself. But I can't lie, it's been quite difficult trying to get into a routine with him being gone. He it's, I don't know, it's just been interesting. And I got a different job as well. I started, so it was the 22nd, 23rd. I think it was the 23rd. I'm filming this like the 2 days after Christmas. Yeah, the 27th. And it's that weird time between Christmas and New Year's where you're not entirely sure what day it is. And I'm not entirely sure what's going on. I don't know. It's just been interesting to say the least. 27th, 29th. He, as I was saying, he has definitely been, he's been gone a lot, and now with me switching to a different job, it's going to be very interesting to just have him be gone all the time. But we will figure it out. That's what I do. I figure stuff out. So, okay, so that is his gone schedule figured out there. Okay, I'm going to, let's see, my husband has a dentist appointment on the 3rd. So I'm going to use one of these appointment labels, and I'm going to put that down here. And that's at 8 a.m. Okay. So then the next thing that we've got going on is I've got trivia on the 8th, which I don't think I'm going to be able to attend because my husband will be gone. But I'm still going to mark it in anyway. I'm going to use one of these patterned, I think they're supposed to be quarter boxes. I'm going to write trivia, 8 p.m. Okay. Then our daycare calendar is due on the 15th. So I'm going to use, I have a full sheet of these, but I just pulled one of my samplers, and I'm going to use the pencil to mark daycare calendar. I love using the pencils because it stands out, and it reminds me that I have to submit that. And then on the 23rd, I have a hair appointment with my girl. I'm going to use one of these like half boxes because I don't know about you, but when I go to my hair doctor, it takes a while. And it's at 5. And then I also wanted to make sure that I grabbed one of the, so this is a Planner Kate hair just love that doodle. So I'm going to use this to put on this date as well. And I just love that. That's so cute. Okay, so that is my hair appointment. And then on the 30th, I have a stomach doctor appointment. At 3 p.m. Okay. So I think that is pretty much all of January. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to use the sidebar in January. I might use that to mark all the books that I have been reading. I plan on, my goal is 52 books in the month of January. Wrong. In the year 2020. And so I would really like to keep track of what I've been reading more, rather than just track it on Goodreads, but like actually like physically track more, I don't know, more of what I've been reading. So, but I think this is going to be it for my monthly plan with me. Really not a lot of plans. The biggest thing has been my my husband. Really the biggest thing has been my husband having like a different work schedule. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. And thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again. Bye.